Hey guys, Skylar here. I decided to drop by Walmart and pick up some booster packs. I haven't had a chance to open any of the Breaker Shadow packs yet, so I decided to get some, so I had to get some other stuff there as well. And I also picked up a special edition of Clash Rebellion. And just as the last time I opened a special edition, I got two of the same card. Which isn't necessarily bad, but now I have 5 of these. So there's that. But yeah, so let's just get right to it. See if I get anything good. Alright, just focus on the card a little bit. And then, yesterday I saw how there has been an amendment to the ban list because of Perform Pals and Perform Mages and stuff, so fortunately I was in the process of building a deck like that, so that sucks for me. But, you know, I get it, they're pretty good, but I don't know if they were that good personally. But hey, we'll see what happens, because that, you know, that's a big part to deck at the moment, is those type of cards. So hopefully, I don't know, something else might come along. I know, like this right here, this is now banded. It's or banned rather, and banded. Ah, yeah, nice. So it's like you get cards like that that are now gone. It's like, wow. I'm not sure what people are gonna do now when you have cards that are no longer usable that were a big part, and they've always been out for a short time too. And of course, now I get another one. But you know, so it'll be interesting, nonetheless. Oh hey, finally got this card I've wanted forever. So we'll see how that goes, I guess. But probably not too well if you really think about it. Alright, Break of the Shadow. Alright. See if I can get anything good. I mean, I know I get an automatic hollow just because of the pack, but let's see what we get. We got Reject Reborn and Magispector Supercell. Kinda wanna get back to the beginning again, which I don't know where I was, so yeah. Alright. Super rare. Okay, that's expected. I'd love to get, you know, an ultra rare out of this, but probably won't happen because they're just random packs. So we got Twilight Ninja. I can't focus because it's too far. Twilight Ninja. I cannot read that. Getsuga the Shogun. Okay. Oh, cool. Then we got one of the counter fairies. They're becoming a thing just because of the Perform Mage and Perform Pal ban list update. This might be a viable option just because it's Pendulum, but who knows? Because a lot can happen. All I'm gonna say. A lot can happen. I'm very clumsy at opening these things, as you can clearly see. Alright. So for a rare, we have Steel Cavalry. Wow. Steel Cavalry. Cavalry. Steel Cavalry of the Diamond, something like that. And then Master Pendulum the Draco Slayer. I can pronounce that one. That's awesome. Because now I actually have the XC monster that he goes with, so that will be nice to actually be able to use that. Because I didn't have any cards to put with it, so it's kind of unfortunate to have the XC and nothing to use it with. Oh, cool, an XC monster after that. Alright. Okay, and the Buster cards. And we got... I cannot read it with the camera. It's one of the kaiju. It's the Zakaru, the star-destroying kaiju. And another Magispector Supercell. Oh, that's unfortunate. I didn't get anything, really, out of this. So, that's unfortunate. At least I got hollows. It's always nice. But yeah. So that's all I got for that opening, and see you guys next time.